Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Welcome back. I am a day late in Rosemary's open collaboration. I'll have her link down below. It's Rosemary's You Rock Art. Her open collaboration is hashtag color and create with us You Rock Art, and I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can click on it and check out everybody's coloring pages. Um, I was late, like I said. My weekend was packed with. I was busy all weekend. It was even though I had a holiday on Monday, I was just busy. Um, so this week, Rosemary asked us to color this page, and I just love this page. It's so adorable. Cute little lion cub in a mason jar. And I colored him in a kind of like a gold, harvest gold, because he's not quite, you know, yellow-ish. He's kind of gold and browns and things like that. And I try to add that in there. Um, yeah, and I just love how I just lightly colored the jar, like a light blue color. Yeah, that's all I did there. So next week's page is this cute little fairy. I hope I'll color this page in time for next Monday's post. And yeah, that is it for the coloring part. I do have a card that I created for my brother's birthday. His birthday is today, and I'm late. That's the story of my life. If I'm late to this collaboration, I'm late for this birthday card. Um, so I did kind of, I am not good with masculine cards. I try my very best. When I don't know what they like, or, it's easier to do women's cards. And I know I've explained this so many times and time again. I'm just not good at masculine cards. I'm just not. And I know that, and I struggle every time I sit down and make one. Okay, so I use this is a bottle cap um, paper. I think I bought at Tuesday Morning, gosh, years ago, and it comes with like 25 sheets of it. Okay, I have some graphic 45 papers that I bought, and they were only $2.99 a pack at Tuesday Morning. Now, when we say that we miss Tuesday morning, I mean we miss Tuesday morning. Because the deals that they had was so good, and it might have been old collections, but you saved some money, and I get it. Everybody wants to. I want to save money, you know, on craft supplies, but sometimes if you want it, and sometimes you just have to get it. But um, I was always one of those that waited for the sales before I rushed out and bought it. And then by then everything's gone, and the collections that all the pieces of the collections are out of stock, and blah, 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 blah. So, um, although I do like Tuesday Morning and their lower prices, it was it, and you got collections, that you've always wanted. But anyway, um, I used that on here. I inked up the edges with some vintage photo and walnut stain on the tag. This tag I had in my stash. I have a container that I found a bunch of tags in. So I'm trying to use what I have. Um, this is the stamp that Susan Heartstrings gave me in her Happy Mail. And I always remember that because I have been searching for that stamp set for ever and a day, and she offered to send it to me. And I was like so happy and blessed that she saw my video. So I stamped it out. I did a masking technique where you stamp an image, then you cut it out or fussy cut it out, and then you lay it on your image on your tag, and then you stamp another image. It's like in the background, and sometimes, I mean, I could have done it the other way. I could have stamped this, fussy cut this out, and then stamp that, and then this will be in the background, but I wanted to try it out the other way around. So I do like that, how that looks. I added a sticker that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I backed it with some white cardstock. And then I added some, just some ribbon from my stash. There was a hole. I think you can still see the hole in the background. And then I used my tiny attacher from Tim Holtz, and I stapled it to the tag. So, you know, it's not too feminine, even with this tag, but I mean, ribbon, but I like it. I hope my brother likes it. I don't know if he saves my cards. I don't care if he throws it away, but um, this is my card that I made this year. I think I made him a coffee card last year, but he loves coffee, so it's easy for me to create something for him related to coffee. So that is my share for or create. That's what I created this past week. I think it was last week. And my coloring page. So thank you, Rosemary, for this fabulous open collaboration. I've enjoyed it so far. It's 2025, and we have more pages to go. I don't know how many more pages that we have left, but we do have quite a bit. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching, commenting, liking my videos. I so appreciate them. Come back, and hopefully I'll be back with another video. I promise. So thanks everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.